Introducing this 2015 Chrysler Town & Country Touring Edition wheelchair conversion van. Featuring a BraunAbility side entry automatic fold-out ramp and kneeling system. This conversion vehicle features a 3.6-liter V6 engine, a beautiful black leather interior, and has only around 59,000 miles. Also featuring removable driver and passenger seats. Regain your mobility, freedom, and independence with this 2015 Chrysler Town & Country wheelchair conversion van. Call AutoMobility store today and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.